Hi, my grade 11 students. I am going to teach you today a new lesson, not for profit organizations, financial statements for not for profit organizations. In the previous chapters, in the previous lesson, I taught you how to prepare financial statement in a sole proprietorship business. In that lesson, you have learned profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Profit and loss statement is calculated net profit or net loss of a business. In the statement of financial position indicated available assets of the business, capital and liabilities. Actually, all the business organizations in the world, we can break into two categories according to their objectives. You have learned this lesson in grade 10, but I'll revise you before I start this accounting lesson. Then you can catch very easily how to conduct, how to continue, what's the approach we want to get to adjust your frequency to the lesson, right? So then you can get a point here. That's why I explain. All the business organizations in the world, we can classify according to the objectives, its objectives. One is profit motive businesses. The other one is not for profit businesses. Profit motive businesses. Under the profit motive businesses, we can give examples. We can give some examples. Sole proprietorship. Here, business organization, right? Business organization. Right? Two categories of profit businesses and what? Non-profit motive businesses. Not for profit businesses. Right? Under the profit motive, we can give examples what? Sole proprietorship, partnership, incorporated companies, cooperative societies, associations like, right? These all are what? Profit motive businesses. Right? Is it correct? Check it again. Cooperative societies and associations also profit motive. No, these two comes where? Under the not for profit organizations, cooperative societies and associations. But in your syllabus, we discussed about only how to prepare financial statement of sole proprietorship business. We have finished the previous lesson. Unit 5 is that. We have done them. We did some past paper questions also. Right? If you are a new student, you can watch my previous videos. We discuss about financial statement of sole trader. Clearly, I have taught you in those videos. You can watch them to get sound knowledge. Then you can move to these videos. Actually, here I'm going to give introduction and how to prepare financial statement. What are the financial statement? We practice simply step by step. Right? Then, not for profit businesses. Actually, their target is not to earn profit. Their target is to provide welfare facilities to the society. Right? Welfare facilities to the society or its members. What kind of organizations we are talking here? Remember, associations, funeral association, sports club, readers association, your school commerce associations, all boys associations, all girls associations, different associations are in the world. Actually, their target is not to earn profit. Their target is not to earn profit. Their target is to provide welfare facilities, if not to do some charity activities. These are their main objectives. But remember, they should have enough money. They should have enough money to achieve these objectives, to conduct operations. There are some people, they are the employees, they want to pay salary for them, right? They want to manage the whole income and expenses, right? They can collect income from, especially from its members, membership fees. But not only that, they can engage different activities to create their new income sources, to collect money. They can conduct some exhibitions, carnivals, selling flags. Yeah, school also, you remember sometime you have sold some bangles or any other, some stickers or this kind of thing to the people, and you collect money for your school exhibition. In our university life also, we have done the same thing. Like, we sold some, print the stickers and we sold them to different people in the society, and we collect more money to conduct our university exhibitions. Most of the school students also, they are coming to visit our outlet, our exhibition, right? Highly we did that. So finally, I want to say this, right? There are two types of business organization in the world. One is profit motive, the other one is non-profit motive. Under the profit motive category, we did in the previous lesson how to prepare financial statement of sole trader. There we have done profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. In this area, not only cooperative society, we can say associations, departments, government departments, government associates, state corporations. These are the things comes under the not-for-profit organization. Then in this chapter, in this lesson, we are going to teach you, you are going to learn now what? How to prepare financial statements of not-for-profit businesses. First, we give a little introduction about the not-for-profit organization, right? Then introduction of not-for-profit organization. Not-for-profit organization is business organization. It's a business organization. It's an organization. You know, organization is one person or more than one person. They are working together to achieve some objective or objectives, right? Organization that engage in economic activities, providing service, sometimes producing goods, sometimes distributing goods, but economic activities, with the aim of not to earn profit. Yeah, but their target is not to earn profit. They are engaged in activities. Something about sports club in your village, youth club in your village. There are more members, treasurer, chairman, secretary, like sometimes accountant also may be there, right? So there's an organization that target is not to earn profit. They have more money. Why? Members give their membership fee. They engage in different activities like exhibition. They conduct organizations, carnivals, exhibitions. Sometimes government or non-government organization also give their donation to these kind of associations. They can collect more money. So they want to prepare a financial statement to manage this money, to manage this income and expenses. When the members ask about what happened to those money, so they have to give proper, correct answer, right? So they maintain proper accounting system. Then I have here some examples. What are the examples? Just only few examples. You can see your textbook also. It's clearly mentioned there. They have provided some examples also. Examples: sports club, Rantaru Sports Club, Shine Star Sports Club, right? Think about your village sports club. Youth societies, funeral association, right? In future, if you learn this lesson well, you can manage your village youth societies accounts. Sports club, if you are a member of your sports club in your village, so sometime you may appoint as a treasurer or accountant there, saying, then you can, after learn this lesson, you can prepare all the financial statement in that as a society. right? It will give big color, good color for you, right? So now then sports club, youth societies, funeral associations, all boys associations, all girls association, these are the different association which comes under the not-for-profit organization category. Then remember it again, what is the definition? Not-for-profit organization is a business organization that engage in economic activities with the aim of not to earn profit. Not to earn profit. Financial statement of not-for-profit organization. NP organization. What is NP? Net profit? No, it's not-for-profit organization. Here I use short word to explain. It's easy for me to explain. That's why, right? You never write NP, so you write non-profit organization, if not for-profit organization. Prepare financial statements such as receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account. There are especially two accounts they maintain, right? Receipts and payment account and income statement. Remember, receipts and payment account is 100% similar to the cash book. You know cash book. You have learned in grade 10. Cash book is the first primary book according to your syllabus. Cash book, all the received money you put into the debit side, all the cash payment you write in the credit side, finally you get the balance. It is called cash balance. The same way, same thing here, but we change only the name. We can't use the word as cash book. Why? This is not for profit organization. That is profit organization. Profit organization maintains cash book to enter their all received cash and paid cash, right? Not for profit organization also maintain a cash book to record all the received money and paid money, but we don't give the word as cash book. Why? It is not for profit organization. That is profit for businesses, profit motive businesses. That's the reason, right? But the same thing is done here. What you record in the cash book, everything is recorded here, but we change only the name, right? Now, those businesses pay expenses to conduct its operation and they can generate different income sources, right? Remember to conduct this operation, but even though their target is not to earn profit, they have to pay some expenses. They want to pay water bill, electricity bill, ground maintenance, to employee salaries, security person salaries, right? So transport expenses, fuel expenses. When they conduct this operation, they want to give money. They sometimes they have to pay money. The other way, they can receive different income. They will receive the donation, especially the main income source is membership fees. The members, when the members pay their fees to the organization, they can collect money. They can sell flags. They can sell, they can produce key tags and they can sell them. From that they can earn income. They can conduct carnivals, not organization. Every time I say what? Organization, right? They can conduct carnivals. They can conduct again I say organization, exhibition, right? So from that also they can earn more money. That's why they maintain proper accounting system, right? Then here I have given some examples for how they collect money. Membership fees, selling flags, conduct canteens, conduct exhibitions, selling empty boxes, empty boxes, empty bottles, right? Then they can sell them and so collect money, right? These are the different income sources. Sometime, school canteen is organized by, all boys association. If not, school development authority. If not, all girls association, right? So you can buy food items at lowest price, right? They will give good service to the students and they earn a little profit margin to conduct the operation. Sometime maybe, right? Objectives of not-for-profit business organization. Here objectives of not-for-profit organizations, why they prepare financial statements, right? Why they prepare financial statements. Objectives of not-for-profit business organization. Here actually clearly, here I use the short topic, but finally we are talking about now what? Now I have given the introduction, what is business not-for-profit organization. After that I have given to you what are the accounts to be maintained, receipts and payment account. Then the other one is there still waiting, what? Income statement, right? But I want to say here, why they maintain proper accounting system, why they prepare financial statements. This is the reason. Objectives of not-for-profit business organization of preparing what? Of maintaining what? Of maintaining what? Financial statement. Objectives of not-for-profit business organizations of preparing financial statement. Why they? Simply you think, why they prepare financial statement? What's the reason? What's the objectives of preparing financial statements? That's the thing, right? Now, to inform details to its members regarding operational activities. Operational activities. Remember, there are more members in the society. All the members give their membership fees to the organization, right? The same members know well how much then the organization can collect more money through donation. They can earn these different income, this everything. Members know this everything. Then members, as a member, you think you are a member of a certain society in your village. You should know, as a member, you have a right to ask, what happened to that money? May I know about what happened to those money, to where you spend money on those? You have a right, not legal right, right? You have a right to inquire some informations, what happened to that money. So, if they maintain proper accounting system, they can give proper and accurate details to you about the organization, income and expenses. So, to inform details to its members regarding operational activities, right? If the organization can give proper and enough information to the members when they ask, the organization can keep trust of its members, right? Then this is the second point. First one, to inform details to its members regarding the operational activities. Third one, to prepare future plans. If you think about this, you can earn more income. Yeah, sometimes your parents will give. You can do you are doing a little business, so from that also you can earn money. But to make a future plan, you should know how much you can earn monthly, how much the total expenses you want to pay. You should have proper knowledge about this to make future plans, future decisions, what you are going to do in future. If you don't know anything about how much you earn, how much you pay, and this, so you can't make proper decision. To make a correct decision, you want to do that one, right? Then to prepare future plans, to continue business activities properly. Yeah, then if you know well, if you prepare financial statement, you have enough details to make correct decisions regarding the organization. Then it's easy to make decision because you have all informations, right? You think, yeah, electricity bill, last month electricity bill was high, then you can check. If you know high, so then you can manage it. No? You can switch off unnecessary bulbs. You can switch off unnecessary AC machines. Why? You know well, last month electricity bill was 35,000. So we want to manage, right? So like that. If you know that, so you can make a decision. If you don't know this, then sometime next month it will be last month 35,000, next month 75,000. Why? Because you don't know. So to make correct decisions, a financial statement will provide enough details to you. Accounts prepared by NP organization, not receipts and payment, and the other one what? Income statement. This is 100% similar to what? Profit and loss statement. Receipts and payment account, 100% similar to what? Cash book. Cash book, right? This is the thing. Now we'll see, we go one by one, right? Accounts prepared by NP organization. First one is what? Receipts and payment account. First, number one, receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account is an account. Receipts and payment account is an account which shows all received cash and paid cash during the specific period. This is 100% similar to the cash book. This is 100% similar to the cash book, right? Then you remember how we do the cash book, right? How we do? All the received money you put into the debit side, all the paid money you put into the credit side. Finally, you balance off. That final balance is what? Cash balance, right? Do you record depreciation here? No. Payable expense? No. Receivable income? No. Only the already received money and already paid money. Don't think about for what you pay, then in which accounting period you have done that payment. So don't think about that. Here we consider only when you read the transaction, you feel it's received money, debit, paid money, credit. Simple theory, right? But don't forget to put the name as what? Receipts and payment. You do the cash book, but you don't say here. You write what? Receipts and payment account. Why? This is not for profit organization. Importance of preparing receipts and payment account. Importance of preparing receipts and payment account. What you record there? All the received money and paid money. What you can see there? Available cash balance, opening cash balance, year end or month end or weekend cash balance, paid money, for what you pay money, what are the sources you received money, everything you can see there. Everything means only related cash, related transactions, right? Now, calculate cash balance for a specific date. Yeah. All the money received debit, all the paid money credit, then finally you can, when you balance off, balance carried down, balance carried forward, so you can see the cash balance there. Yeah. To make a correct procedure about cash movement, yeah, as the members, as the treasurer, as the accountant, so you remember to make a correct procedure about cash movement. Yeah, remember you want to maintain a proper book for what you gave money, from whom you received money, what kind of sources that you had to earn money. So you should know this, right? So the correct procedure is to maintain receipts and payment account. To manage cash resources properly, if you know how much you received during the period, how much paid during the period money, then you can manage your resources properly, because you have reports. Then if you want to manage the money, cash, so you can make a proper decision. This expenses is very high, so next month don't do this expense, right? And this is okay. For that matter, you give money because of this expense we earn this amount of income, right? You highly advertise. The last month our advertising expenses was 25,000. We spent only 25,000, but from this advertisement we earn 75,000 income. Then 50,000 profit we had. right? So you pay money for the advertising highly. So remember, you can properly manage your financial resource if you maintain receipts and payment account, right? To make future plans, yeah, it's easy to make future plans. These are the importance. If you want, you can write down quickly. Calculate cash balance for a specific date. Calculate cash balance for a specific date. To make a correct procedure about cash movement. To make a correct procedure about cash movement. To manage cash resources properly. To manage cash resources properly. Yeah. To make future plans. To make future plans. Write down quickly. Hurry up. Right? Now, example. Now the time is to do some question, right? This is just first example. After that, we practice. I'll draw you how to do the receipts and payment account. You know well because you know the cash book, no? Right? Following receipts and payments details of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya Commerce Society for the year ended 31st December 2020. Very easy. Receipts separately given. Payments given separate. Then all the receipts you put into the debit side. All the payments you put into the credit side. Then you balance off. It is the receipts and payment. Right? Membership fees. 6,200. Where you write? Debit side or credit side? Remember, I taught you all the received money debit. All the paid money credit. Selling magazines. Receipts, no? All the receipts debit. Donation. Receipts of donation, right? Sometimes they will give paid donation. Then it goes money. Credit side. Donation debit. From advertising. Yeah. From advertising, we earn 14,400 debit. Now the next one. Printing magazines. We give money. Credit. Stationery. Credit. Transportation. Credit. Paid donation. Credit. I taught you before. Received donation. Debit. Paid donation. Credit. Prepare receipts and payment account. Now, let's do. Then draw receipts and payment like this. Date, description, value. Date, description, value. Now, we can do like this. You practice here when you start the question, you write the name of the account, name of the organization, then the time period you write on the top of the account, right? Before it, you write date, description, value or cash. Date, description, value or cash, right? Here you write what is the name of the business organization. Check. Is it given or not? Name. Yeah, Doramadalava, no? Not Doramadalava, Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Receipts and payment account for what? For the year ended 31st December 2020, right? Then you write it here on the top. I choose blue color here. Why? It is very attractive color, I think, right? Receipts and payment account. No, first you write Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Right? Is there any name of the organization? Just school. See? Yeah. A commerce society, no? Yeah, Doramadala Mahavidyalaya Commerce Society. If not, you can write like this: Commerce Society of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Commerce Society. Commerce Society. Society, I use SO. SO, not the security officer, it should be society, right? Then of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya. Receipts and payment account. For the year ended 31st December 2020. Right. Remember this: Commerce Society of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya Receipts and Payment Account for the year ended 31st 2020. If not, you can write like this. Finally, the details is given. Receipts and Payment Account of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya Commerce Society for the year ended 31st December 2020. Same way. Understood? Yes, right. Receipts and Payment Account, Commerce Society of Doramadala Mahavidyalaya for the year ended 31st December 2020, like that, right? Okay. Now, you have to put all the received money debit, all the paid money credit. Then you pick the details from the question. Membership fees 6,200, right? 6,200. Then here 12/31st. 12/31st. Membership fees, M fees, M fees. How much? 6,200. 6,200. 6,200. Then same date, no? Sell in magazines. Magazines. Sell in magazines. How much? 4,100. 4,100. Then donation 2,300. Donation 2,300. $2,300. Then from advertising 14,400. 14,400. Advertising. 14,400. That is the way. Then all the money received money. Okay. Now you go to the credit side. Why? The cash payments after that. Print in magazines 2,800. The date also 12/31st after that. Then print in magazines. Magazines. How much? 2,800. Stationery. How much? 800. Transportation 200. Transport 200. What is this? Donation. You see, in the question is given, right? Okay. All the cash payments we recorded in the credit side. Okay. Now we get the total and we have to balance off. You have to get the total and you can balance off. It is the receipts and payment account. Draw like this. Then you get the total. How? 0. Then here 0. Right? 4 plus 7, 3, 10. How it comes? 7 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 1, 8, 2, 10. Then save 0. Not the save 0. We put 0, save 1. Right? Then 27,000. Right? The same value we bring here, 27,000. Then you have to get this side total. Then you find the difference. We can do calculation separately. Right? Then this side 4,200, I think. Yeah. See? Double check it. Yeah. Definitely. This side credits all the expenses 4,200. The received income 27,000. Find the difference. Yeah. 0, 0, 8, 2, 22,800. Then you put it here. 22,800. Here what? Balance carried down. Balance brought forward. This is the way. If you want to see above, I can show you like this, right? If you need the time, you can quickly write down. You check your mistakes are there. So this is the way to do the question, receipts and payment. Right? Okay. Now, let's move to the next activity. Activity 2. Given below is the cash receipts and payment account prepared by treasurer of the Shakti Sports Club. After balancing the cash receipts and payment account, a credit balance of 78,300 existed in the account. Now we go to the activity 2. You can turn your textbook. This is the textbook activity. If you have the textbook now, you quickly take it now and you can read with me and you can do the question with me. Right? Are you ready? Yes. Given below is the cash receipts and payment account prepared by the treasurer of the Shakti Sports Club. After balancing the cash receipts and payment account, a credit balance of 78,300 existed in the account. But physically 26,900 worth of cash of the sports club was there with him. Remember, in this question they have provided us receipts and payment account. It's from Shakti Sports Club. The treasurer of this Shakti Sports Club has prepared this receipts and payment, but actually it is not the correct. There are some mistakes. Why we say that? Because remember this, the question is given a cash receipts and payment, cash receipts and payment account, a credit balance of 78,300. Remember, practically there is no credit balance in the receipts and payment account. It can't be happened. Right? It means definitely there are some mistakes. Right? The physically they had at the end of the period how much? 26,900 money. After, remember how much you have physically, you think 20,000, then your cash book final balance also should come to the same value. Yeah, physically your business had 75,000 rupees by cash physically. Yeah, receipts and payment account, that month end balance also the same value. But here they got credit balance. The two different 78,300, but physically they had 26,900. That's different, right? There are some mistakes. Check the given receipts and payment account for any corrections and prepare corrected receipts and payment account. Okay. Now we read the question. See, subscription fee 190,000 debit. It's correct or wrong? Remember, received money, no? The received money, yeah, it's correct, right? Purchase of sports equipment. When you purchase sports equipment, you give money or you receive money? Think a little. To buy something, you have to give money, no? So, you lose money. Then all the cash payments credit, but they have recorded debit. That's wrong. This should come to the credit side. Balance carried down. It's wrong one. But according to the given detail, they got this. So, we don't take this one, right? We don't take this one. Because it's wrong answer. We want to find it. Then balance brought forward. Opening cash balance. Opening cash balance. Credit side? No. It should come to the debit side. You mark this with me. Salaries and wages correct. Donation received. Debit. We receive money. Sale of flags. Debit. We receive money. Refreshment expense. Okay. Stationery is okay. Purchase of equipment. Okay. Printing charges for flags. Okay, miscellaneous expense, okay, maintenance of ground, okay, fees for umpiring, okay. These are, remember, only simple, like there are 1, 2, 3 and 4, no? Yeah, 4 items to be changed. All other details are correct. Now, we'll see how to do the question. Then, you draw the receipts and payment account. Right? Okay. On the top you write, you remember what is the name of the society or organization? Shakti. Receipts and payment account. First you write name of the organization, Shakti Sports Club. Shakti Sports Club. Receipts and payment account. When? For the year ended. Year ended. When? See the dates. Yeah, 31st December 20 blah blah, right? Any year you can put. 31st December. 31st December 20, yeah. Then I choose another color, right? Date. Description. Here cash or amount or value. Date. Description. Cash or amount. Same thing, right? Now, you go to the question and you pick the details, right? Here, actually, the date column is not provided here. But when you draw it, it's easy. It's good if you can maintain date column, right? Okay. So, first of all, you write the cash balance, right? Cash balance, debit 7,400. You put it here, right? 12/31st. Cash. How much? I forget. So that's why I want to see it again. 7,400. 7,400. It should come debit. Okay. Now we go to the here. Next. All the debit details that they have given in the credit side. So you take first. Donation received. It's not the correct method. It's not the only one or correct method, right? Here it's easy for you when you get the details from the credit side, because opening balance they have recorded in the credit side. There are only 2 more, no? So you take them to the debit side. Donation received 24,300. 24,300. 20 4,300. What is this? Donation. Then sales of flags. Sales of flags. How much? Flags. 8,200. Okay. Then other details you see. Subscription fee 190,000. Subscription 190,000. Now easy, you go to the debit side. Only one item is there. It is purchase of sports equipment 40,000. Sports equipment. If not equipment, how much? 40,000, I think. Yeah, 40,000. Then salaries and wages. Just salaries is enough. Salaries. $99,000. Then donation. No, we have done. Then there, sales of flag finish. Refreshment 8,000. No, 5,400. Refreshment 5,400. Refreshments. Then stationery 7,500. Stationaries. $7,500. Purchase of equipment 4,800. Equipment. All the paid money credit. Then printing charges for flags 5,600. Printing flags. Then miscellaneous expense. Miscellaneous expense. Expense. Okay. Then next, maintenance of ground. Ground maintenance. Ground maintenance. Ground maintenance. Fees for umpiring 17,500. Okay, now right. Now we have to balance. We have to balance this. You get the total of the debit side. Then you get the total. Here 0 and 0. Here 900. Here 9. 229. 229,900. I think you can see here 229,900, right? 229,900, right? Okay. You bring the same value to the credit side. Same value to the credit side. 229,900. Okay. Then the problem is you want to calculate the total expense, the difference you put here. Difference you put here, right? Then here you have to get the total. You can write the total somewhere. Then finally we find the difference and we put it here, right? Okay. 0, 0, 0, then 30, then remain 3, 3, here 20, 3,000. Total expenses 203,000, 200 and 3,000, right? 229, 229 and 900, okay? Then you would find the difference 0, 0, 9, 26,900 is the answer, difference, right? You put it here. You put it here. 26,900. This is 6,000, right? Then balance carried down. Then balance carried forward. Balance carried forward 26,900. Remember this. This question is given what? When treasurer of Shakti Sports Club prepares the receipts and payment account, she got 78,300. This like this. Like this, 78,300. This she got credit balance. It's wrong. But the same question given, but real value, the physically the same date they had only 26,900. If you have done receipts and payment properly, your answer also should be the same value. Now you check your answer is the same or not. Yeah, our answer is same. 26,900 also we got. This is the way. You must remember, my darling students, when you prepare receipts and payment account, all the received money you put into the debit side, all the paid money you put into the credit side. Remember, you never mention payable expense, receivable income, right? Depreciation, bad debts, these kind of expenses are not recorded in the receipts and payment account. In this video, you learn what is the introduction of not-for-profit organization, what are the accounts to be maintained by the not-for-profit organization, and why they maintain financial statement, what's the objective of preparing financial statement of not-for-profit organization, and why they maintain receipts and payment account. These things you have learned in this video. We can practice more questions in the next video. We practice some receipts and payment questions and try to start income statement part in the next video. Then you practice these all the activities what they have given in your textbook. Try to do at home by yourself. Then we'll meet in the next video. Be safe. Bye.